Here's what you'll need for a delicious lemon cake with candied lemon. Lemons, of course. Some vanilla extract. Some butter. Some eggs. Some double cream. Baking powder. Caster sugar. And self-raising flour. First thing we're going to do, soften up your butter in the microwave. In with your sugar. And give them a good mix till they're nice and creamy. Then give your lemons a quick wash, and we're going to extract the juice out of there. But you're going to save the outer peel bit, because that's what we're going to candy. Into your butter and sugar goes your lemon juice, and then into there with 3 eggs. And then give them a good mix. Into the wet ingredients, we're going to sift the dry. We sift them so that it gets some air into them. And then we're just going to fold that in till it all comes together. Don't use your electric whisk, just get a spatula and fold it in. With your batter mixed, it's time to get out your cake tin and some grease-proof, oven-proof paper. Fold it so it's an 1/8 of a circle. Stick the point of it in the middle and then just cut round it. And that is for the base. Give your cake tin a quick smearing with some butter. Then in with the template that you've just cut. Then in with your cake batter. This is going in to the oven at 160 degrees for around 30-40 minutes until one of those things, a cocktail stick, comes out dry. Then you know it's done. Your cake in the oven, it's time to get on with your lemon skins. So cut those ends off, and then you're going to want to get the pith. So get a sharp knife, do that, and then it should just pull off. Then we're just going to cut the lemon into nice little strips, about 1/4 of an inch in width. When you've cut your lemon into strips, put them into a pan, add some boiling water, and then we're going to simmer them away for around 10 minutes. When your lemon's had 10 minutes, take it out, put it through a sieve, then into the same pan with some sugar and more boiling water. Let the sugar dissolve, and it's back in with your lemon peel, and we're going to give that another 5 minutes simmering away. And they've had 5 minutes in the sugar water, put them out into a sieve again, and then we're just going to cut them up into little pieces. With your lemon cut into pieces, time to get yourself a plastic bag, and in there you're going with some sugar. How much sugar depends on what you want them to look like. If you want them to look like a frosty morning, then put plenty of sugar in. In with your lemon pieces, and then just give them a good shake and get them coated in the sugar. Once you've done that, tip them back out onto your baking tray, spread them out, and then these are going in the fridge for an hour. When your cake's had 30 minutes or so, and your cocktail stick comes out nice and clean, time to take it out of your cake tin and take off the oven-proof paper that you put on earlier. And let this cool down a bit. With your cake cooling down, it's time to whip up your double cream. So into there, we're just going with some vanilla extract for a bit of extra flavour. And then whip it up. With your cream whipped and your cake cooled down a bit, it's time to cut it in half. So gently, just go round and round. So onto the bottom half of the cake, which will be your middle of course. You go in with half your cream. And then onto there with half of your candied lemon from the fridge. Do the same with the top, smear it with cream, finishing it off with your candied lemon, and then you're good to go. Get yourself a cup of tea and tuck in.